I want to walk you through how to make money with your beauty coin as fast as humanly possible. And first I want to give you a quick intro, then how to start the process. Then we walk over through the offer to make it more appealing for your followers. And then in the end, I want to give a very exciting bonus. Let's start with the intro. For the whole concept, you don't need any website, you don't need any company, and you don't need any extra skills. You just need your social media accounts. That's it. And I guess you tried a lot of things already besides your job. Maybe you've tried affiliates, brand deals, online shop, OnlyFans, media content, or your boyfriend paid for it or not, your husband, whatever it is. If this is not enough, then this is the right concept to get more income and more impact to your followers as fast as humanly possible. So how to start the process? You register on our website, and on our website you search for the section Start for Free, and there you just add your name, click on the send button, and we come back to you. The team will analyze your social media, and over the time we can say if you have 100,000 plus followers, you're eligible anyway for it. But even with less followers, depending on the engagement, you are and can be eligible for it. And the beauty here, you're not required to be at any specific location. You can be anywhere in the world, whether you're in New York in the US, on Bali, or you live in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, or any other country. It's suitable. And from the DECODE side, you get a fully customizable engagement platform, easy accessible, and this will be with your photos, your text, whatever you think with the explanation, and here where they can just click with Apple Pay and buy this. There's certain information about the coin itself. Also, every coin we are launching is audited by the international audit firm, European audit firm. Here, all the connections to the international market, and that the people can join the community, whatever socials are from the creator. Easy accessible from this platform. And this is all accessible over your Instagram via a simple link in bio. All this comes for free as well. And for sure, before we are going live, you will review the design and photos. And once you give us the green light, we're starting to create the coin. And once the coin is created, we are sending coins immediately to the global market and to your wallet, so that there is no lack of security or anything. If you don't have a wallet, we help you to set this up. Very simple, very easy. It's full safety for you. And once this is live, the international trade can start, and you can stop here and just let the people trade. But the most important is when you add an offer to it, because we set as fast as humanly possible. So let's say you take your Instagram account. You have followers in 100 plus countries. What is the offer you want to add? We feel, and this is just an example, we feel the easiest of the whole thing is when you think about it, so the followers in your country, you have provided value with your content for a very long time. This is important. You have provided the value for months and years. And now the followers are interested. You are bringing out a 2 weeks challenge. Let's say for a 2 weeks challenge, you say the top 10 coin holders, you provide a private Zoom call. And the beauty here, you can do it from anywhere in the world. You are traveling, you have photo shoots, or whatever you do, you can schedule these Zoom calls wherever you are. And you're giving it for the top 10 coin holders to encouraging them to buy the coins. And we're displaying that here again on your engagement platform, that people understand and see this. You just have one task in the whole thing. You just, once this is all set up, and by the way, that can be done in 24 hours, then you start, and then you advertise this. You explain to people in your reels, in your shorts, in your TikTok videos, WhatsApp status, whatever it is, you explain to people that you have the challenge. Here, click the link, and then they can see all the information. And then the people who are interested in it, they will do. And when you have hundreds of thousands of followers, there is and will be, because of all the value you brought over years already, there are people interested in it. And how does it work? As I explained briefly already, they click on your Instagram account, link in bio, and then they come on the platform, see where they can buy this with a debit card, crypto, Apple Pay, whatever it is, and then they can buy it from the international market. Super simple. And the more buyers are buying your coin, the coin value goes up, like any market product. And let's take the example, you have 50,000 already, and then with the challenge, it goes up to 300,000. That means you created value of 250,000 dollars within 2 weeks. And another example, if you're a bigger creator or you make more advertising, more buzz around it, then it goes from 50,000 to 3 million or more, whatever, even it's a million. But with 3 million, we are speaking about the value creation of $2,950,000 in 2 weeks. Just think about this number. That's why we have created the concept. There is nothing even remotely close, where with a simple example and a simple procedure, wherever you are in the world, you can create this value. And then simply after the 2 weeks challenge, you make the calls with the top 10 coin holders and it's done. The 2 weeks challenge is done. The value is created. And a lot of your other followers who came in early, they also earned money on this. And that is the beauty. It's not just for you, the creator. It's also for your followers. Both vice versa are better off. When you say, now, I don't want a Zoom call, I want something else, then there is so many different options. You do something else. And there we jump over to the bonus. What happens next month? That's the interesting part. You can launch a challenge every month. Every month a new offer, every month a new challenge. You can treat this coin as a business. And the people in the field are talking about it. A coin has the power and the potential that you treat it as a business and become creative. Every month a new challenge and you create value like with no other procedure. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.